What's going on, guys? Hey, afternoon video. A lot has happened today, but guess what? We hit a new all-time low for Mullen. It's unfortunate what's going on. It is crazy how the charts are lining up right now with the RSI, and the latest news that we've heard from LH, right, and David. A lot of stuff is going on, and I think it's pretty crazy. The last 48 hours have been very dramatic, in my opinion. And really all I'm looking for is news from Mullen. That's what I want to hear. I want to hear news from Mullen, what's going on. But just to give you some updates, I'm going to share my screen and show you some things that I was looking at today on Twitter. We have another thing that's going on with Gary Gensler. Apparently, he is being accused of something that I'll show you in a minute, which might help everybody else with all of this short selling BS that has been going on. So let's get right into it. Don't forget to drop a like. I would truly appreciate that. Think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And get your coffee if you haven't had any yet. I've already had 2 cups, maybe 3 cups. Don't really know. Too much though. So let's go. None of this is financial advice. Of course, you know I'm not an advisor. This is just my own opinion. And I'm going to show you the charts today also. All right. So financial journey posted. Looks like Lawrence and Mullen are continuing to work on the deal. And then he spoke with Lawrence. He got confirmed testing will occur next week, satisfied with what Mullen wants, right? And this was the big ordeal that we were talking about is Mullen wanted, they had an original agreement, I guess. It didn't happen. They didn't get paid, blah, 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 all this stuff. And then Mullen wanted more testing, official testing, and that didn't go through. But now apparently they're going to go through with testing next week. So is this true? Are they going to go into testing? Are they not? Well, let me give you my opinion. Now, I don't know if it's true. I would hope that they're going through testing. I would hope that this whole thing wasn't just a picture being painted that isn't true. I've always said I have good vibes from these people. I've had good vibes about Mullen. I think I made a video this morning about Acus Capital, or however you pronounce their name, and the shady business that has been going on with Mullen and them for quite some time now. So it's really out of our hands right now. We have hit new all-time lows. We're down over 10% on the day. I've been telling you guys I'm not buying anymore. I'm just holding right now. And I really want some news from Mullen. The next thing we need to look forward to is production. Whatever happens next week is a cherry on top. I've always said that if this technology is real, if it goes through with Mullen, this is a cherry on top. But really what we need is production news, and that's obviously coming in July. By the way, Tesla is up over almost 5% on the day. And after hours right now, we're at 236 and climbing. I ended up buying some at 173 and 177. I let the Patreon know. I let the YouTube know also after that. Join the Patreon today if you want to learn more about these stocks, more about charts. $7 a month till June 29th. Then it's going up. Back to Mullen. Okay. Give me your opinion. Let me know down below what you think is real, what you think is not real, what is actually going on, because I think part of me wants to say that all of this has been created so they can dilute the stock. Dilution has been happening. Our volume on today is 59 million. The volume yesterday was 78 million. The day before that was 48 million. The volume has been huge, right? And my hope would be that, okay, the dilution is coming to an end. Get the money that you need so you can start production. I totally understand, but it's killing people, right? It's horrible. And I made tweets about the CEO of Mullen and how I wish he would speak more. I wish he would give a business plan, a vision. This is the vision for the next 12 months for Mullen Automotive. These are the deals that we have lined up. We expect production to start on this date, not just July 2023. It's not clear, it's not concise. So this is things that we need as investors moving forward. There's a lot of shady stuff that has been going on. A lot of people have been talking that hasn't been consistent, right? So I don't know what's true. I don't know what's a lie. All I know is what I think is going to happen next. So let me show you the charts and let me tell you what I think is going to happen next. All right, so let's look at the daily time frame. I'm going to make this video very short and sweet. The RSI right now is at 2073. The market is closed. You can see this red line right here. Every time we've tested this red line, this RSI, we're in very oversold territories. We tend to bounce. My prediction is this. Mullen's going to drop news. I think they're going to drop news in the next couple of days. I don't know. This is just my own opinion. But with how the charts are lined up and with all the drama that's been going on the last 48 hours, I would assume that they're going to drop news very soon, right? You can also see, well, you can't see, but also looking at the 4 hour, the RSI on the 4 hour is at 1990 right now. 20 was a great area of it being oversold, right? We are entering the next area of about 17 and a half on the 4 hour. So we are very oversold right now looking at the charts alone. They're diluting it though, so does that mean it's gonna bounce? It will bounce if we get the right news. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think everything that has happened the last 48 hours is real? Do you think, because I think there's a lot of miscommunication, a lot of misunderstanding from a lot of different parties out there. I want the best for Mullen. I'm long on Mullen. I've been covering Mullen stocks since November 2022, but this is getting very ugly very quickly. And we need some clarity. We need some news. We need something to get this stock back over $1 because right now, I'm not sure if we're NASDAQ compliant. Right now, it's unclear what's going on with two parties and their conversations. So we need some clarity, right? So let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to drop a like. I would always appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.